Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add links to your Instagram story. So let's get started. So the first step is to open your Instagram application, and once you have opened your Instagram application you can see this interface. Alright, so the next step is to go to add story, and over here on the bottom hand side you can use your camera roll to add your picture, or you can just click one right away. So I'm just going to take a snap right here, and to add the link on the top hand side you can see the option for a sticker. All you have to do is click over there, and here you can see the various options, and all you have to do is scroll down and look for option for the link, and you can even search for the link over here and click over there. And over here all you have to do is type in the link that you want, and I'm just going to type google.com. And over here you can customize this link text as well, and here you can see the option for custom sticker text. So using that option you'll be able to customize your link. So you can just click on customize sticker text, and you can just type click here, or and there you go. That is how you can add links to Instagram story. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.